In the heart of ancient Mesopotamia, among the ruins of forgotten empires, archaeologists uncovered an object that shouldn't exist. At least, not by the logic of conventional history. An object that some say rewrites everything we know about ancient science. This is the mystery of the Baghdad batteries. It was the 1930s. Just outside Baghdad, in the village of Kujut Rabu, archaeologists working for the National Museum of Iraq unearthed a strange clay jar. It was 5 inches tall, sealed with asphalt, and inside sat a copper cylinder. At the center of the cylinder, an iron rod, ordinary at first glance, until someone noticed these components could form a galvanic cell. In other words, a battery. In 1938, German archaeologist Wilhelm König proposed a shocking theory that these jars were electrochemical cells, batteries that could produce a small electric charge, and not just one. Several similar jars were found, suggesting mass production. A device like this could have existed nearly 2,000 years before the invention of the modern battery. Some believe the batteries were used for electroplating, applying a thin layer of gold to silver objects using electricity. Others suggest they were tools of healing or religious rituals, ancient devices that could deliver a mysterious shock, perhaps seen as divine power. But there's no definitive evidence of wiring, and no written records to explain their purpose. Not everyone buys into the battery theory. Some argue these jars were just storage vessels, holding scrolls, sacred oils, or simple chemicals. They say the electrical interpretation is a modern projection, shaped by our fascination with ancient tech. In their view, the so-called Baghdad batteries might be just a coincidence of components. Tragically, many artifacts, including the Baghdad batteries, were damaged or lost during the 2003 invasion of Iraq. What we have left are replicas, photographs, and heated debate. The mystery remains, unsolved and electrifying. Did ancient Mesopotamians harness electricity millennia before Benjamin Franklin flew his kite? Or are we simply misreading the past through the lens of modern science? Until more evidence